all wishes. So, today I bring an essay for you. The topic is Unity is Strength. Before starting, I request you to please subscribe my channel for more educational videos. So, let's start. Unity refers to being together for people in their thoughts, feelings, and reactions. Unity is strength is all about being together no matter what the circumstances are. If we go work in unity, then we can achieve our goal. The people in unity suffers less stress as they solve their problem together. An individual can experience harm but not a united team. Get harm, unity is strength. Emphasis is that the power rests in unity. Only a united family always succeed in providing a better environment for their children. Unity at national level help in developing the nation at its best. The strength of unity puts a great impact on the development of the nation. In short, unity is strength, teaches us to respect each other's choices, discretion, and sentiments, and still together, because if we work together, no one in this world can be able to defeat our strength. So guys, this is the essay. I hope you like my videos, so share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more educational videos. Inshallah, we will meet with a new educational video. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.